Stepper motor PLC program. Stepper motor controlled by Delta PLC DVP 14SS2. This is the driver, and this is the stepper motor, and this is the setup, and this is the PLC 14SS2. See this, and I will control with these switches, and you can see it is working. Now it will rotate. I will press this S1, so it will rotate. See this rotating, and it will rotate counterclockwise now. See this, both direction. Now clockwise, and this is counterclockwise. This is the program for stepper motor control with Delta PLC 14SS2. This is our setup on my table, and you can see this is the laptop on which there is a program, and I had connected this. I downloaded the program in the PLC. Now the PLC is working independently. Now you can see I will press this S1 and it will rotate. See this. Now counterclockwise, if I press X2 and this X1, this is the driver, and this is the setup. And this is the motor. This is, see this, the diagram, stepper motor, and this is driver. And I kept one stick here so that you can see it is rotating. Now I will rotate it counterclockwise. See this, and I have set some degree, so it is rotating to a certain degree. This is the driver, and this is the wiring for this stepper motor control.